In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video on Google Drive and share link. To get started, open Google Drive and go to your Google Drive homepage. This is the main area where you can view and manage all of your files. If you are already signed into your Google account, Drive should load right away. Starting from the homepage makes it easier to find the correct upload options and keep your video organized. Once you are in Google Drive, look over to the left-hand column and click on My Drive. This section is where your personal files and folders are stored. Opening My Drive first is helpful because it ensures the video will be uploaded into your main drive space where you can easily find it again later. After that, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on New. This button opens the menu for creating or adding content to your drive. It is the starting point for uploading files directly from your computer or device. When the menu appears, click on File Upload. This tells Google Drive that you want to upload a file that already exists on your device. As soon as you click it, a file browser window will open, allowing you to choose the video you want to upload. Now select the video from your device. Take a moment to make sure you are choosing the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions of the same video. Once selected, the upload will begin automatically depending on the size of the video and the speed of your internet connection. This may take a little time, so be patient while it finishes. Once the video has uploaded, find the file in your drive and click on the three dots next to it. These three dots open the File Options menu where you can access actions related to that specific video. From that menu, hover over Share. This will expand the sharing options and give you access to the tools you need to send the video to someone else. Sharing through Google Drive is useful because it lets you provide access without having to attach a large video file to an email or message. Finally, click on Copy Link. This copies the shareable link to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need, such as in a message, document, or email. After copying the link, you can send it to anyone you want to give access to the video. And that's it. That's how to upload a video to Google Drive and copy a share link quickly and easily.